Hello friends, are you looking for an internship opportunity? EY is hiring interns in the year of 2025. Candidates with BE, B.Tech qualifications are eligible to apply. They are looking for someone with effective communication and strong foundational knowledge in Python programming for data analysis. Knowledge of SQL and databases and problem solving skills are essential. Check description to get apply link and more details about this job. Share this video with your friends who are looking for a job and subscribe this channel for more job updates.